Sanibonani, in this space esincane sami ngiphethe i-toothpaste kamzukulu wami uzohlanganisa u2 years kungekudala njena. Nansi i-toothpaste yakhe. I-toothpaste yakhe is very very good for the mouth. Emlonyeni nje it's healthy. Yakhiwe ngama-plants, iy'tshalo, i-organic, it lasts long. Usebenzisa nje encane engange-peanuts. Yabona? Usebenzisa nje encane, axube, adle khona manje because ayinazi into ey'ningi i-organic. Sikhumbule ukuthi i-organic. Then ayisingahamba ke yodwa. Ihamba nama-tooth brushes abawu-4 nama-colors akhona amahle enza ukuthi abantwana bawuthande lo khala, bakuthande nokuxubha ngoba imnandi toothpaste yabo. Then le toothbrush umntwana uyisebenzisa only for 3 months because awu-4 in a box, only for 3 months. After that ayibeke eceleni kusetshenziswe enye. So you are saving a lot because i-toothpaste iyomlast of 5 to 6 months. Yayibona? And ama-toothbrush awonyaka wonke ungawathengi ukhohliwe nje i-oral care yomntwana. Ngiyabonga.